Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome back again. As I said before, yesterday, today I'm gonna. Is the screen black? Oh, no. Can you see the image, right? The picture? Can you see my feed? Hello? Anyone? Oh, okay, I think this is fine. Okay, just like I said yesterday, I'm gonna continue with hair modeling today. So yeah, yes, let's go. We already create the basic shape for the hair, so now it's time to create the details. Create the details. Okay, started from the front. I will try to fix the shape a little bit. To create the mm, for now, I will just try to create the shape of the hair by adding some loops. Hello, just a cat. Hello. If you can see I'm sorry, the flow of the hair is kind of have not a parallel line, so it's kind of overlap a bit from the side. So I usually just move the top of the part like this, so it will have a different flow from this one. So maybe something like this. So I will create another loop. And let's try to detail this part. If you can see, there is one strand of hair in between these two two shape. You can edit later. I will show you. I will show you later. But for now, just just make a better shape for the available shape that we have. Okay, it looks a little bit better. Uh, okay, now I think I will detail this part first. I think I will. Okay, I will create another one here. Okay, let's try to create the volume of the hair little by little. I will merge the last part of the strands. Okay, something like this. The focus of the this part is create the volume of the hair shape after you create the base. So yeah, something like this. It needs to be a little bit closer to the inside, just like the reference. We also need to move this part to a little bit to the inside. Okay. I think I will add contact shadow so I can see the distance between the hair and the head. And also I will turn on the ambient occlusion. Okay. I will also turn off the where is it? Cavity and set it to work. So there will be an ambient occlusion on the HIPAA display. I hope this stream won't be that boring because creating hair is kind of long process. I think I will also turn on the shadow, the viewport, and set it maybe something like this. Okay. Oh, the normal of the brow is still inverted, so we'll get it back to the front. Okay. Okay, this is looking a little bit better. I think now it's time to create actual volume of the hair. So I think I will separate this part and also this part because it's kind of a little bit different than the front. So yeah, let's try to create actual volume of the hair strands. Okay. I think I will hide this one first. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your support. So to create a actual volume, you can just how many years of Blender so far? I think 13 maybe. Yeah, 13. About 13 or 14. How did you started to learn? I just learned from the internet because I'm interested in 3D. Okay. I think you don't need that many years to learn Blender, I guess. For especially now because there are a lot of good tutorials, uh, plenty of amazing tutorials on the internet. Unlike years back, because the user of Blender is a lot less at the time. You are learning Maya. See, I think you should stick to Blender. I guess depends on your work though. So if you need Maya, sure, you should learn Maya. So no school, no self-taught. Yeah, yes, I guess so. Internet is kind of like a school, I guess, but it has no test or curriculum, I guess. I think for anime characters, the most important aspect is an anatomy or proportion. Yeah, I think it's not only for anime. It's for if you create any style, you should learn about anatomy. You should still learn about anatomy. Okay, something like this. Let's try to create another volume here. Okay, what's wrong? Oh, I see. I think you can also learn by doing just. I think the best experience is kind of do it yourself, I guess. So if you want to create something, just try to create that thing, I guess. So you will get the experience rather than just watching, I guess, or just follow. Yeah. I mean, if I sometimes I open super chat when you can. How can I do that? I'm not sure. Oh, I'm still beginner in streaming world, so I I don't know how to do things. I guess. Uh, what I'm gonna say is I kind of forgot. Oh yeah, if you the best thing to learn is I guess to just do. Okay, just just do it. If you will get a lot more experience by doing things. If you get confused in between the project, you can always ask for someone who knows better than you. I guess something like that. I started doing Hololive character because of your stream. Still stuck on the head. Aha. Good luck. You can do it, I guess. It's fine if you think your model, the current model is still not good. If you keep doing this for a few times, you will get eventually better. You're from Philippines, no? I'm from Southeast Asia, but not Philippines. It's Indonesia. Okay, here's the volume. So you can see now I have a volume of it. I think because you can see this part is actually overlap, so I will move it a little bit to the inside, so it will a little bit more consistent. Consistent. Oh, you're from USA. Okay, I think I will. Uh, detailing this part is actually not that important, but it can help you to feel the actual shape of your model. Yeah, I think. Okay, let's try to create this volume. So this is not sculpting, correct? Yes, it's not sculpting. It's just standard modeling. I will try to sculpt some part at the end of the project to add the details. Okay, this part is kind of looks weird because it the branch is should I think the branch should be right here. I will merge this one to this part. Okay, just red topology. What do you mean? Okay, I think this is fine. If you see the shading for the I guess branch of the strand is kind of weird. You can always use uh, PVE or edge crease, and you can add auto smooth. I always set it to 180, so I will set the edge sharp manually by Control E and mark sharp like this. So it looks a little bit better, I guess. I usually also add edge crease here. So the line is kind of, if you can see, this one has no edge crease, so it has a weird. The line is not smooth. If I add edge crease here, you can see it's now smooth, something like that. If you still find this part is weird, you can also add another loop here, so you can hide some of the parts. You can see now is the weird part is kind of hidden inside this loop. Okay, maybe I will not this one. Never mind. I thought it's a retopology. Retopology is the process if you have already sculpt your model and you are doing modeling on top of your sculpt. It's called retopology. What graphic cards do you have? You have, and plus CPU and RAM. I use RTX 3060 on a laptop. My wait, I think I will. This one is kind of weird. I will delete this and add again. And my CPU is Intel. Wait, I will open CPU. I already installed it, so yeah. I usually install CPZ to check the processor when I get the computer. Or I guess this is a laptop. Okay, there's no sensitive data, right? No IP or something. Okay, this is my CPU. And I use 32 gigabytes of memory. My CPU is 11800H. Okay, that's my CPU. You're welcome. Okay, I think this is look a little bit better now. I will add another crease here. Oh, I see. Um, okay, add another loop here. I will fill this one. Now I will use a brush to smooth the flow of some. You can see this one has a little distinction between the strands. So I usually just use brush, smooth brush, and clay brush to smooth things out. Yeah. I think this is fine. You have 6900 XT. Nice. I will move the front part a little bit forward so it has more volume. Oh, I see. You can see this part is the branch is a little bit uh to the top, so I will merge the part so it will be look more like a the reference. I think I will hide. Why not? Okay, okay. Can see a little bit more like the reference. I'll also add edge crease, sharp, and add crease here. Okay. Have you textured the face yet? No, just something simple like this. I will try to create the texture after, maybe after the hair. Okay, so it will be more uh, nice to look at, I guess. Still, this model is still a little bit simple, so we will keep adding details along the way. So yeah. Okay, I think I will spare it this, so it will create this trend and this trend. Mm. Is it possible to rig your models in Maya Frames? Of course. Why it won't be? Are you still new in 3D? Hello there. I see. I think if we are really still new, I think it's better to learn Blender first, I guess, because it has a lot more tutorial for a beginner rather than Maya, I guess. If you only just get started. If you already know about Blender. Oh, no, not like new, but not medium yet. Oh, I see. Okay. Sorry. I have extracted the characters in my already. Okay. I also go to anime school. I see. Okay, I think this is fine. Maybe this part a little bit more inside within. I just wanted to make sure you're okay with that. I think that's no problem, I guess. Will you put streaming videos on your channel? Yes, but it will be unlisted because this is just a stream. I think this is just a test for my stream, so I'm still not sure to make it public yet. If you still want to access to previous stream, you can visit the Discord server, link in the description. I will try to create a time lapse using this stream. So yeah. So more I think if this project or the time lapse uh, is successful, I will put it in my channel. Okay. I think this part is a little bit. Wait. I think this part is a little bit inside. Yes, almost every model is rig. My model is mostly rig, but I think it's not. It's just for post purpose. So yeah, I usually post my model by using a rig. Yeah. Okay. Now let's create the volume for the site. This one. Ready 45 minutes. Okay. I will make it a little bit more quick, I guess. Okay. How can I create volume for this? I think I know. I will try to extract first from here. 'Cause Then extrude from here. Then we'll bridge this part. Can you do commission? No, I can't do commission. I'm sorry. Uh, I'm thinking about reworking my old models, but I don't know. I still haven't got time to do that, I guess. Wait, I think I will extrude it first. I'm also doing hair right now, but seeing your hair makes me insecure. Why? How? Yeah, I'm sorry. I think everyone has its own pace. So okay, if your model doesn't looks the way you want to be, uh, you will get there. Okay. Do you want to keep doing? Uh, I think do it what you want to do. Okay. Just if you want to support my works, I guess you can do whatever you want to do. I guess if you want to support me by buying my models, I guess it's really appreciated. Or if you want to subscribe my Patreon, it's also okay. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay. I think this is fine. I will add. Oh, wait. I think maybe I'm unlisted some of my old models because I'm not really sure about the results. So yeah, maybe some model you can access some models there. Okay. What was the poll for this month, character-wise? I don't do character pools anymore. I'm sorry. I because uh because I'm too focused to uh release that on at this past few months. So if I do a character pulse, it's I don't know. It's kind of make me a little bit more work, I guess, because sometimes I the the winner of the pulse is the character that actually hard to do, I guess. I usually for the pulse is I usually create some option and I usually put some option that I thought it won't be the winner, but it did sometimes. And it's it takes me quite a while to finish the module because of that. Okay. This at sharp. Okay. I think it's looks fine. We will add more detail like this trend and this trend later. I guess we will continue on the back side first. What I have to what please do more stream. Would love to attend. I plan to stream. I guess I hope so every day until this project is done. Okay. So yeah. If there's not something else, I will stream every day for about 2 to 3 hours. Okay, good night. Yay, more content. Okay, okay. Now let's create the back here. Make it a little bit more nice, I guess. And we will create the. I'm sorry. We will create the trees after this. To to create the crease, wait, I think I will extrude this first and make it. I think this is weird. Wait, maybe not that far. Okay, I usually just use crease. I mean bevel to create a crease. Then I will add more loop, something like this. I can also use knife like this. Maybe a little bit more here. Hello, hello, nerdy bro. I think this one is a little bit to the bottom, so I will try to move it a little bit below. Thank you. If you want this little bit more better, I guess you should make the right and the left different, like the reference. Because if this is too symmetrical, sometimes it's kind of look unnatural. Maybe I will try to to edit. Okay, I will try to edit the left and the right part after I complete the basic shape, I guess, and apply the mirror modifier. Are you planning to show the are you planning to show the whole process? Uh, yeah, I guess. I will try to stream until the project is finished, I guess. Hopefully I can stream every part of it, but yeah, at least that's the plan. I think I usually just use knife rather than bevel because it's more intuitive about this. I keep pressing the wrong button. Okay, let's also knife this part. Maybe something like this. It just looks a little bit weird. I think that's fine for now, I guess. We can always, just like I said before, you can always tweak it later. but I will tweak it now. Because why not? Okay. Now we will create this bottom part. It might be a little bit more. I am surprised to find that you are done sculpt and retopo later. Uh, it's been a while since I do that kind of workflow. If I'm not really a fan of retopology because it's, I think, wait, I think, I already mentioned it yesterday, I guess. Uh, when I do retopology, it feels like I'm doing twice the work. Like uh, it feels like I'm I do I do twice the modeling process. I mean, the first step is modeling, and the second part is retopology, which is actually another uh another modeling process. It, I mean, it feels like I do twice the work, something like that. My English is not the best, so yeah. Uh, You can snap vertices to surface. Yeah, I know that. Uh, I mean, if I, for example, if I do a sculpting, I can't really have a really clean detail like this on my mesh. I guess I after I sculpt, I guess I still need to figure out the clean topology, and it's usually kind of messy, the mesh. I can't really tweak the flow of the, for example, hair is the most, I think hair is the, especially for anime, I guess it's the most difficult part in sculpting. Speaking of, have you heard of Cozy Blanket? Yes, it's the Pablo de Barrel, right? Yes, but maybe I will. Actually, I want to try the. Maybe it's just my bias, I guess, because I haven't tried that workflow in years. So maybe I will, in the future, I will try to sculpt first and then Ritopo to see how it's actually better now, I guess, because I I haven't really sculpt since Pablo de Barro. Uh, 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 Before I think I haven't really used Pablo de Barro tools for sculpting yet. I already do this box modeling workflow since before Pablo de Barro create the new tools. So maybe I'm kind of biased in that regard. I will hopefully I will try to use both. If that's will be more Wait, then this workflow, I guess I will. I'm still open with the new workflow. So this is workflow. This workflow, I know this workflow is not for everyone. The box modeling stuff. It's like modeling in the 90s, right? Before there is any technology. And another reason is because if I try to only use open source because I'm big fan of open source. So yeah, and eh, maybe if you are the ZBrush user, I guess it's better if you're doing the sculptures because there's plenty more tools on ZBrush than in Blender, I guess. At least for now. The one thing is I I'm waiting for the layers, I guess, for sculpting, but it's still not there. So yeah, because I usually think the modeling process is kind of non-destructive. I try to be non-destructive as possible. So if I use Blender, I only get uh, basically one layer. So yeah, it's if I add detail or something, it's easily to kind of destroy your model because of that. And the reason one of the reason that I do box modeling is because it's kind of a little bit more easier to me to handle the details because I can create this base. Uh, I think it's more like intuitive for me the box modeling process because you can tweak the vertices wherever you want. And you can still access the sculptures if you want to, but you're only limited to the vertices you already created. I hope that's uh, understandable. I'm just rambling here. Cozy blanket, more like nope. Why? Why is that? You should, I guess you should assume software, I guess. Need Blender needs someone to step up the sculpt. I used ZBrush once and it was so much better. Shane Maxon owns it now. Why? I think it's not. Is it now subscription process? Pablo left Blender to make iPad app. That's too. I wasted. You wasted $90 on it. Is Cozy Blanket paid software? Uh, I I don't follow it that much. Judging by the reference. Oh, I see. Judging by the reference, shouldn't her hair ending more than her neck? I see it a bit too high near the ears level? Yeah, yeah. I will put it more to the below. Uh, it for if it's fine, I guess. I mean, you can always tweak this model. So if you want to, you can always put it like this, something like this. Thanks for the reminder, I guess. Yes, it's subscription only now, and update is not free anymore. That's what you get when you're not using open source. That's why I'm only using open source. Sorry for for a little bit smug, I guess. Sorry. That's actually one of the reason that's I'm only use free software. And I always try to make my software free and open source. God, why not? Yeah, Blender is king. I I use Arch. Wait. Nice. I used to uh, use Linux for my workstation, but I'm on Windows again now because I don't remember why. Why is that? I don't remember. I guess it's the driver. I need some and some application that I need. It's only available on Windows. It's still a free application though, but it's only available on Windows. Is it good now? The hair? Is it just like what you want? Lumify? Who is that? I saw your works. Very nice day. I hope you keep streaming. I hope so too. Thank you. Windows, I'm sorry. Windows has progressively gotten worse. Haha. Blue screen update over its milestone. Yeah, sometimes I got blue screen. And yeah, it sucks, I guess. Maybe I will try Linux again in the future, but I don't know. I already getting used to Windows again. I think when my Steam Deck comes, I will see if Linux is better. I had to switch back to Windows to play games. I think if you're only playing it, I've seen the which one is it? Digital Foundry, I guess, videos about Steam Deck, and he said If you're only the Steam Deck in portable mode, I guess it will be fine. But if you're using it in dock mode, there will be hiccups here and there. I don't have a Steam Deck myself, so I don't really know if that's the case or not. But that's the Digital Foundry said, and I always believe what Digital Foundry said because they are Digital Foundry. I hope the hair doesn't look that weird. I think if you're only plan to game on Linux and you're using Steam Deck, I think it will still be fine. And even I guess even better than some of Windows handheld like GPD Win or something because uh Steam Valve usually has like when the Elden Ring you know about this, right? The Elden Ring, when the Elden Ring is released, Steam actually has a better performance than some of the higher end PC because uh, Valve actually have a pre-built pre-compiled shader at the update, so it won't be stuttering. The game is stuttering on Steam Deck. Unlike if you are using, for example, RTX 3090 or something, because uh, you need just like Blender, you need to compile the shader at the start. Right. I think this is good enough for now. I still haven't played Cyberpunk. I hope it runs on the machine. I think it runs fine on the Steam Deck if you keep the settings low. Wait, you can see now the hair is almost complete. I think the base thing, at least the base of. Wait, I keep pressing the wrong button. Okay. Mm, I think I will. Okay. The ear is still looks weird. Yeah, I will fix it after this. Okay. Would you ever become VTuber? I'm not familiar with the VTuber culture, so I'm not really sure. Maybe a little bit tweak here and there. You're making Marine from Hololive. I would say you are familiar with the VTuber. You don't have to. I know she's VTuber, but I never. I actually never watched Hololive. I think I have before, but it was few years back, I guess. But I've seen this character plenty of times. So yeah, kind of this VTuber is kind of popular. So but I rarely watch VTuber myself. I'm making Pecora, but I know nothing of VTuber. Same here. I guess same here. Maybe high five at the sound of my high five, I guess. Okay, now I think I need more loop right here. I think this is good enough for now, I guess. Now let's time to. Is it good? Chat, do you think it's good? The hair? What do you think? It's bad. What the fuck are you doing? That's that's my impression of you, Chat. I think it's good, but maybe add a bang between her front bangs and her ear. There seems the empty space here. Add a bang between her front bang and her ear. You mean here? Wait, let me see the reference. Oh, I see there is a. I usually find the people's for anime is the typos is kind of hard, I guess, for the head because if you see an anime illustration, it usually has a wait. There is no okay. Maybe something like this. You can see there is uh it's not a symmetrical hair. I guess the it's kind of have an angle. So this part is kind of you as if you look at it from the front, and this one is as if you look at the uh this side, I guess. Basically, what I'm saying is, anime hair is anime illustration is usually has a weird perspective. So yeah, if I uh, create this in typos, it usually has a weird feeling, I guess, weird shape. I will still try my best to make it good. Oh wait. I- Okay. I think this will be fine, I guess, for now. There's plenty of detail that I can add to make it a little bit better, but I think I will add this one first, the and this one, this and this one, the smaller strands. I usually add when viewing from this side, there is something missing. That's it. Oh yeah, of course. That's because there is a little bit there yet. I will. There is plenty of details that I still missing. So yeah, I will try to add that. This one is, yeah, it's a little bit too flat. I will add this one first. I usually just use the. I will remove the crease. So I will usually just use the whatever strand that available and just extrude them. If the strand is still a bit too thick, you can always make it smaller later. Wait, let me position it first. Where is this come from? Maybe somewhere here. Hello, hello. Hello, Raisin. Good to see you here. I heard Japan has heat wave, right? Or something like that. Raisin is from Japan, so just to let you know, I guess. Is it right, Raisin? Oh, I hope you're safe there. Yeah, I heard Japan has. Yep, is it from? Is it the heat wave or is it you from the Japan that you answer? Yeah, I heard on the news that Japan has kind of hot summer right now because of global warming, I guess. And we have flood here in Indonesia, also because of global warming. I think this is not weather channel, so I guess I will stop. Sorry. I'm sorry, chat, or whoever waiting for watching this. Okay, it looks good. Now let's try to add this. Looks weird from. Hey, okay. Let's now create this by using this strength. Okay. Okay. It's not connected to anywhere. I guess I need to move it a little bit more right to the yeah. I need to move it a little bit more below, something like this. To make this hair more connected, I guess. Paisin, are you still there? I hope you don't leave because of my bad jokes, I guess. It's not even jokes, I'm sorry. Oh yes, I'm still watching. Oh, thank you. I hope you I hope the stream is not too boring. I'm still figuring out how what to talk about in the stream. So yeah, the quality is excellent. What quality? Have you have you seen the first stream? So the first stream is has a really bad audio because I don't use headphones. So I keep I keep talking too close to my mic, so it sounds like a disaster. I guess. Not boring at all. It's giving me a motivation. Uh, I, I guess as I'm sorry. I guess that's that's my wait. Let me think the word. My English still learning English. At least I'm still learning to speak English. Uh, Not boring at all. It's giving me motivation, as it should be, I guess. That's the main point of this stream, to give you motivation, Lumify. Yeah, exactly you. I will give you a big motivation. I hope you can take it. Okay, motivation. Okay. Oh, I missed the previous part. There? Will there be archive? Uh, the previous you can access the previous part on the Discord server. There's the links is all there. I think I will create a parent channel to archive all the stream, I guess. So it will not mess with the other channel. Okay, I think it still looks weird. I guess I will move it a little bit more. It's fine to doesn't have the exact position because this is just a 2D reference, so sometimes it doesn't have a good perspective, I guess. It can also be me that have a bit not really good perspective, but yeah, I will try to fix it. I think the cheek is a little bit slimmer on the reference, so I will try to make the feeling of having thin cheeks. I just went away for a couple minutes. What is that long thin shadow casting from her front? It's this setting, I guess. This one, right? You can add a shadow on the viewport in Blender or in any other software probably. If you are not using Blender, which is a shame. Yes, you should use Blender because Blender is king. Someone in the chat said it before. Okay. The ice is a little bit too low. I think I will. Blender is in fact king. Yeah, you're right. And Maya is the queen. I'm sorry. I think it's look worse with the eyes. Uh, After I move the eyes, I think I will retake. I will fix it later, I guess. Oh, for now it's fine. I think the mouse is a little bit. It could be. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, next part. What are we? What we are going to do? Okay. Okay, this is a look a little bit better now. This one has a weird shading because uh if you find this weird shading like this, it's usually because you have this one vertex that connected to what five edges. Uh, I think it doesn't look that bad, right? I don't know. Maybe I will leave it for now. Next part is I think I will try to add this details like this one and this one. But I think I need to apply the. Oh no! I don't think I need to apply the the mirror. I mean mirror. I learned the other day vertex like this called plus. Yeah. It's called a pole. Yeah. It's sometimes it's really annoying to make it look good. So I will duplicate this one strand to create this one. This bit. This. How long have been I stream? Oh, it's already 2 hours. Time flies when we are using Blender. I can't really say the same if you are using another software, I guess. So if you are using not bad, 2 hours, it feels like 3 hours. Nice hair, thank you. Okay, so I have the 3 hours for me, and I am using this brush at the moment. Yeah, That's why that's what you got when you're using ZBrush. You build a time machine, I guess. Uh, so if you have something like this, uh, let me explain. Wait. Yeah, time warp effect. Uh, if you leave it like this, so it has a separate part like this one and this one has. If you leave it like this until the final render, it will have this kind of weird shading on the on this part. The apa? I'm sorry. The meeting point between this trend and this part of here. So I usually merge this kind of strand by using the Boolean modifier. Uh, but it's kind of really really it's not simple, right? Adding modifier and everything. So I have this etc YouTube etc tools that I usually use uh, to merge this kind of situation, I guess. So I can just separate this trend, and I will click this part, the main here, and I will click this union meshes. And I think the option is fine. I will try to click OK. Hopefully it won't crash. Oh no. You can see now it has a boolean. It will use boolean modifier to the hair, and we need to fix this. Okay, okay. This is okay, okay, okay. Great. Uh, don't forget to add cap to your trend, because sometimes it will be better uh, the result of the union. Uh, Let me try it again. Okay, I think it's a little bit cleaner. Now we can just clean the mesh by using merge, a lot of merge. Okay, okay, okay. I will also use Control X to delete this. Wait, I will use again. I will, I will local mode. If I find something like this, I usually just select all and merge at the center. I will also add grease here and this smart sharp. I will, yeah, something. So the strand that I merged is now have a cleaner topology, I guess, thanks to this amazing icon. Yeah, I think what? Okay, I will collapse this one. As you can see, wait, now it has a cleaner. As you can see, it's nice and clean now. Nice. Okay, maybe add a little bit of olive. Okay, maybe we can use the same technique to create this part. The It's kind of mirror, so I will duplicate another one of this and use it here. I will remove the edge crease because it's kind of confusing if after you merge the strand, if it's still there. Okay, I will move it a little bit more to the top, to the front. I mean, to the front. Maybe a little bit to the right. Is it too boring? But uh, because yeah, hair is always a bitch to do, I guess. Okay, it's nice. Now let's. But I think I will just leave it like this. I don't want to union this mesh because I think I need to apply the hair first. So because the left and the right part is kind of a little bit different. So if I merge the union the hair now, it will be uh, hard to adjust later. So yeah, I will leave it like this for now, and I will merge it later. Uh, so now time to wait. I will separate this part. I will try to apply this part of hair. So we can tweak it to be a little bit more uh, non-symmetrical, I guess, to be like the to be more like the reference. So it which is has a non-symmetrical hair. So let's just try it. I think I will save it first, just in case. Then I will apply it. Okay. Then time to adjust it. Okay, this one is a little bit tricky because uh, I think this part is kind of overlap with this part. So yeah, sometimes you I think I will delete this so I can reconstruct the. It's kind of hard. I don't know. Mm, oh, I see. I think I will just create some kind of loop here and connect it right here and right here. We merge this. Wait, wait. And we'll create another loop. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's kind of overlap the hair, just like the reference. This one. You can see it's a little bit overlap with the this part to this part. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, now let's tweak this shape. Okay, I think I will connect. Okay, this stream is become too boring. I think I just need to take a break watching Blender stream. That's my impression of you, I guess. I will create a. It's good. Okay. Uh, what do you think, Chat? Are you guys still there? I think everybody is already asleep. Hello? Anyone there? Oh, there is still someone who aren't sleeping yet. Always here. Thank you. I just thought everybody already got sleep because of my stream. Keren bang. That's the Indonesian language. Only 10 a.m. here, just working. Oh, I see. It's 10, almost 10 p.m. here, in my regional zone. Okay. Okay. As you can see now, it looks a little bit nicer if you already if you already tweak a bit after you applying the mirror modifier, the hair is become a lot more natural. I'm still stuck in on the head. Aha, had to start from scratch. Okay, then you should start from scratch. What uh, are you sculpting the pectoral, right? Looks good. Will you paint the reflection on the hair or it's the material? It's the material. I always try to uh, use if I could I always try to use the real simulation. Like for example, this specular, I will if I can do it without paint, I will try it to make it real specular. I will show you later on probably next few parts on this stream. Actually, I already have If you go to my Gumroad, it, it's still loading. I always use. Wait, this window is too big. I always use this kind of effect on my model, so yeah, it will look nicer uh, rather than just paint. It's kind of looks static, I guess. Okay, good luck, Lumify. First time modeling ahead with box modeling. Yeah, really good luck. You should. It's fine. If the result is not good at for the first time because you can keep tweaking your model if you're using box modeling. It's actually the same with standard sculptor. I don't know. I find box modeling it's little bit more free, I guess. Uh, it's it's more flexible. Uh, that's what I'm gonna say. I will pair up this part. Kind of sometimes become something like this if I spare it strength. Why? I think I will leave it like this. Okay, it's almost there. Don't worry. You won't get bored anymore, I guess, if this is done. No, you will always get bored, probably, watching this stream. Okay, almost there. I think I will collect this to edge. One has well, I think I will make this part a little more distinct. Maybe something like this. Okay, I think this is fine for now. Now let's try to. Okay, I will. Maybe I will create a little bit more detail here. Greeting from Brazil. Hello, Brazil. Hey, this is fine. I guess if you still doesn't uh, think uh I don't if you don't think this is fine enough, I guess you can always add uh it will looks a little bit different if you already have material on top of it. So I guess if it doesn't look right yet for you, I think it's fine. Uh you can always tweak it later, and it's especially the hair. It will look very different if you already have a proper material on top of it. Okay, so it's fine. It will looks closer to be like this if you already set the material. If you properly set the material. Okay. I think this is fine for now. The face is still looks weird. Uh, how many hours? I think uh, I got 30 minutes left. I think I will fix this part first, then I will continue. I guess I will try to fix the face, I guess, and try to do a little bit of painting if I had the time. Oh, I see. I should. Oh, no, no, no. I think this is fine for now. We can. I think we can fix it later. Okay, now. Hmm, what do you think? Should I do the face first or uh the outfit first? What do you think? Which one do you want to see first? We'll fix it one a little bit. Outfit. Another one. Another one. No one wants to see the better face. Outfit. Only outfit. You want only one. Okay, face. My fault. Only one. That's okay. Okay, I will do face. Okay, maybe. I'm sorry. It's not both. Actually, I will add a outline for the hair first, so it will a little bit more look better. So I will uh, I will show you. You can also, if you don't follow yesterday's stream, you can use fake lighting to create a outline. So create a new fake lighting layer and use camera space. And you will be given with this option. like this. You can tweak it, the vector of the backlighting. And the next thing is you can add a color ramp on top of it. So yeah, for example, if I change the color ramp, this one is to dark, you can see, wait, where is it? Oh, because I forgot. Because it's the default is using add blending mode. So we need to change it to. I think it's better be multiply like this. Now, as you can see, the hair is having an outline. Maybe it's not that good, I guess, for now. Wait, maybe a little bit more. Oh, nice. The hair shading, yeah. If I If I move it a little closer here, the center part will be good, but the side will be destroyed, I guess. So you can use mask. For example, you can you can create a new mask that will only use this part as a that will use this fake lighting by adding a new mask. The easiest one is probably color ID. So color ID is will create a new color ID vertex color to store the mask. So the color ID color is random, so this will be fine. It just to identify the color ID of your mask. So click OK. Now, oh, okay, because there's no one that use color ID yet, so it will disappear at everyone. To add the color ID, you can go to edit mode and just click the color ID layer. I mean mask and fill. You can see now it will only affect the front part. Is it nice? Okay. Now let's save. Now let's duplicate this layer. Hopefully it won't crash because I haven't testing it well. Okay, it's fine. So let's name it this one to, what is it? Front outline. And this one will be side outline. Now you should change because this is the side, you should change the color ID to whatever color. It's fine. And now you can just fill this one and edit this to your liking, guys. Yeah, something like this, probably. We can always tweak it at the final render, so I guess for now it's fine. I will take this one, I mean this front a little bit. As you can see, there is still a specular on the black part, and this is kind of weird because the black part should be a solid flat black. So you can use a router channel, and don't forget to override. The default one is using same color black, so it will uh, even more reflective. So we need to set it to 1. Use override and set it to 1. So the reflection will be disappear. As you can see, maybe it's not that clear, but the reflection is kind of gone now. Compare when it's subtle, but it's fine. I think I will add this to this one also. One. Okay. Okay, I think this is fine. The color of hair is still weird. I think I will change it to a little bit more red, I guess. I will see the other reference. I think I will try to. I don't know about the final post. Probably I will use simple post like this, so it won't take a long time to finish. So yeah, I'll probably use this color. Okay, it looks a little bit nicer right now. I think I will click this spot. Oh yeah, you can also change the factor. So for example, if the top part is too dark, you can always move the direction of the fake lighting to your liking. It's kind of rhymes, right? Oh, also this part. Okay, this one is. Maybe I will try to. Okay. Maybe it's fine for now. As usual, we can always tweak it later. And you can. I usually also add another fake lighting to. I don't know if this one has this kind of effect, but I will use mix camera space. Okay. I usually use another color ramp for the. I guess I will move it to the bottom to the I guess the side of the hair. Wait, you can always look at the preview mode and see how it looks. So I usually add something like this on top the hair. So yeah, it's supposed to be a little bit more natural, but at least for the anime hair. But I don't know. I think this is looks fine for now. I guess I will set the roughness to be higher, so the specular is kind of looks not that good, at least for now. I think this is fine. We can always pick it later, as always. I will also what is going on here. Oh, I see. We'll move it a little bit more. I think. Okay. I think this one is more appropriate. Just like the reference, it has some kind of purple effect on the side of the character. So maybe a little bit of purple on the side will be good. Uh, I think the main thing about here is if you add the specular later, it will be a lot more better than currently is. Because there is no specular, it's kind of a little bit weird. So yeah. To add a specular, especially if you are working on EV, it has no anisotropic shading, so you should use custom shader to do that. I will show you later, I guess. So because you need to unwrap the hair first to use that. So yeah, you can't just use anisotropic filtering. I mean anisotropic shader without unwrapping your mesh. So yeah, I think if I use preview mode, you can see this is kind of look fine, right? Maybe the purple is kind of strong, so I will tweak it a little bit down. You can always add more details like this part, and this part by more push the shape more strongly. So as you can see, if I look from this side, it will look like that. Uh, there's plenty of ways to do that, but at first you always need to, especially if you're going to use a texture, you always need to unwrap it. But since this hair is not done yet, I think I will do that kind of technique later. The technique that will be use texture, the one that will be use textures. Okay, I think I will continue with the face, but there is only 15 minutes left until I end this stream. So I think I will click. I will create this. I think I will click the available mesh. We call it white. This one, and this one is use the same material, so I can edit here. Brown leather. Brown is like this. Let's see. Okay, I need to mark some sims so I can select the. Okay, this is. I think I can see. I will try to make a boot brown on the bottom part, but first I need to create a sim so I can select the bottom part easier. Mark sim, and if I click allow, I see. Now I can fill it with brown. Oh, maybe a little bit more less saturated. Yeah, something like that. And I will create another solid color ID mask and call it okay. to this part. I think the back part shouldn't be also good. Maybe only this part. Okay. Wait, to this part and this part. We can we can fix the rough edge, rough step like this later. But now let's set the metallic overlay to 1 and maybe also tweak the roughness. Okay, maybe something like this. What's going on here? Wait. Oh, I see it doesn't have a pieces vertex. Oh, wait. Okay. I think this is. I think the yellow is kind of has different. Is more or less saturated. Yeah, something like this. So it's nice to has your blocking process using color ID, so you can see how the material looks with each other, the surface. I think it's the boot is kind of looks too saturated, and I will make it a little bit more muted, maybe something like this. So you can see it started to look nicer, maybe a little bit more dark. You can see now it's a little bit coming together. Okay. Oh, I see. I thought this is the hair. Okay. I think okay, maybe I will we have 10 minutes left. I think I will create this a patch so it will look closer like reference. I will use once again a plane, I guess. Mm, I will use Control Shift S to spear here to make it spear, and I will use uh wait subdivision surface. Why I okay wait, and I will extrude it like this. Oh, hi. What is the iPad connected to? I think it will circle around like this. So I think I will use the same material as the outfit. So I will just use the outfit, fix missing data, and create this iPad color. There is the solid color with color ID mask. I will call iPad black. I'll leave it right here. Maybe it's too dark. Okay. Today I'm a little bit busy. That's why I couldn't join from the start. No, you should leave now. No, I'm sorry. Just kidding. Uh, it's fine. You can always watch the replay for this video. The link in the Discord server. It's only 5 minutes left until I will end the stream, I guess. So I guess I will, while I'm doing the iPads, I guess I will ask, what do you want for tomorrow? Face or outfit first? I recommend face, I guess. But if you want to outfit, I will do that first. What do you think? Should I do face texturing first or outfit? Okay. Two votes for face. No one else? Okay. Almost everyone wants face. I think if the face are do done at first, I think will looks a little bit nicer. Continue from if the face is already a little bit better looking. This is kind of too simple. Okay. I think I will just. Oh, no. I think I need to actually connect it because it's visible from the back. Okay. I think tomorrow will be a face. Oh, I see. I think I should move it a little bit lower. Tomorrow will be I will be doing the fast texturing. It's fine if even if uh the the mesh isn't finished yet. We can always unwrap always tweak it again later. And okay, I think I will just explain it tomorrow. It's okay. I think the eye patch is looking well, a little bit well. Yeah, I will make it. Okay. Now it's looking a little bit more and more like the actual reference. I'm still not really sure about this purple. I think I will make it a little bit more down. Okay. I think the iPad should be bigger. Okay. Okay. I think this is wasn't the best, but guess this is fine for today's stream. It's already 3 hours of streaming, and I think maybe a little bit more tweak here. Maybe also the hair. Okay, tomorrow we'll do the face. Hopefully it will be more fun than today. So yeah, wait, just a little bit more. It wasn't look so great, but yeah. I hope we can fix it a little bit later. A little bit more. Okay, I will almost there. I will make a little bit more quick, and I will call it off for today's stream. I think this is a good progress for now. So we create the hair, we create the eye patch, and that's it. Not much else. So okay, tomorrow I will stream again. I guess hopefully in the same hour. So keep tuning in. I will announce it on the Discord server. So thank you for going along with me. So it's been a fun stream, I guess. Thank you for all the chat and fun things we talk about today. So I guess I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day or night or sleep or something else. Bye.